All right. Right now, we have one boiling tube and one test tube containing air inside them. And now you can see the column of air within the boiling tube and the test tube. All because there will be light reflecting away from the smooth surface even between air and glass, and that will reflect light to you so you can see the air. That's how we see air bubbles inside fluid, because light is reflected from the air bubbles. So if you look at this, I'm going to pour oil into one of them. I'm going to pour into the boiling tube. Let's see what happens to the boiling tube. Look at it inside. The boiling tube disappeared. Yeah, wow, almost disappeared. Huh? And then we now pour the oil into the test tube, and the test tube will disappear as well. This will mean that the light is no more reflected to our eyes from the air column, because there's no air column. So to make things very simple, we just say that the glass and the oil has the same, what we call refractive index. So because they have the same refractive index, they are able to let light goes right through, and therefore you will see that the boiling tube and test tube disappear. Huh? Yeah. So now what happens if I pour in water? Water is denser than, can you hold the top? Yeah. Water is denser than oil. So the water is going to be appearing at the bottom of the test tube. Can you see? Can you see? This is water. It's beginning to appear, right? Huh? So now I put more water, and more water will appear. Yay! Yeah, cool. Alright, so the refractive index of the water and the Pyrex glass and the oil are different. Huh? But the Pyrex and the oil have the same, what we call refractive index. Huh? We will talk about refractive index in detail some other time. Okay? Yay! Alright, we will put this into YouTube.